En caso de pérdida de presión de la cabina, caerán máscaras de oxígeno del panel situado sobre su cabeza y en los aseos. Levante el brazo.
Various other items may fall out. Smoking is strictly prohibited in all areas of the aircraft, including lavatories, which are vetted with smoke detectors. Tampering with the smoke detector or not complying with this regulation is considered as a threat of flight safety.
Crew, please be seated for landing.
Tinha um vassal todo. E eu tava estudando. Is it that bubble?
Oh my god.
Look. Wait, look.
Ooh. Ooh. See? So, we're just coming to the sea, and Charlie. Charlie, you got to get down from there. Huh? There's Charlie, he's been in the water.
Yeah, big down the slide, you should have seen. I just went down.
There's Charlie. In the
Hi
water.
guys, you see, I'm in the pool.
Yeah.
See the pool is there, there's a little statue that you can swim.
Yeah.
We want to swim.
Yeah. Go on then. On in, Charlie. Go under the water. Go under the water. Alright. Oh, come this way then. Come here. That's Charlie. Flashing around. Terry, come here. Come here.
Hello. Hello, Daddy.
Hello,
You
Terry.
alright?
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah. That's good.
Charlie. Yeah? Charlie. Have to climb up to the top again.
Yeah, good, yeah. Yeah, down. Dig it.
We're going to go down there in a minute.
Wow. You ready? Charlie, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
We go both together.
Yeah.
There's a breeze too high.
It's scary. I'm not looking forward to this, the green slide, guys. Charlie. 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 Wow. Yeah. Go. Woohoo! Big fun. There you go. Ah, this is so beautiful. We're in the corner of the island and we're just going up to a lookout point, and the temperature at the moment is about 26, 27.
we're climbing up this mountain and it's really steep. Watch till the end. We will be at the top of the mountains and then you'll see us in the next video. Bye.
Okay. Well, we're on the top of the mountain, me and Charlie.
Wow, look at this view, guys. Look.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just like an ocean.
Yeah.
See all the view? Magnificent. See.
Well,
Now, carry on this side.
right, everyone wave at the boat. No? Ready? We're into the top of the cliff. Looks really nice, it does. There's that sign again. Ash, see that sign again?
Down, where?
Look at that, Charlie. You see it? Look.
Where?
Hello. You alright?
Yep.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, you can see all the people sitting down.
Enjoying yourself?
Yeah, you?
Yeah. It's well nice today. You enjoying yourself, Charlie?
Yeah.
Just put this around you for now.
Why?
Hey. Charlie, how was that? Was it good? Yeah. Right, Cherry, what are you having? A Happy Meal.
Millet.
That's
19D. 19.
Yeah, but what number?
Please. Thank you.
The temperature at the moment is about 20. Charlie.
Wow, look at this view, guys. Look.
Ash, see that sign again? In the
Hi,
water.
guys. You see?
You know,
Look.